It's a peak of summer when temperatures have already crossed 40 degrees Celsius in several states across the country, with heatwave conditions also being reported in eastern UP, Jharkhand, Gujarat as well. But luckily for this time, India has escaped the wrath of those prolonged heatwave conditions which really took a toll on the country last summer when the heatwave conditions continued for almost 10 consecutive days. Now this May has been slightly better than last year, and which was also predicted by the India Meteorological Department that the temperatures are going to be above normal both day and night. But there will be frequent thunderstorm activity and rains. The national capital also saw rain showers yesterday, which brought down the temperatures briefly. Now, the good news here now is that the southwest monsoon, which brings over 75% of the annual rains of the country, is also making rapid strides over the Bay of Bengal and is likely to arrive over India earlier than usual. Now, according to the India Meteorological Department, if you remember, they had predicted that the onset of the monsoon over Kerala coast could happen around 27th of May. The forecast carries an error of plus minus 4 days. Now, if that forecast really goes right, that would mean that the southwest monsoon would arrive earlier than usual, because it normally arrives around 1st of June and with a standard deviation of about 7 days. In fact, if you go by the data, since 2021, the monsoon has been arriving earlier over the Indian coast, except for 2023 when it got really delayed and arrived over the Indian coast on 4th of June. Now, according to the latest update, the southwest monsoon has been making rapid strides over the Bay of Bengal, Comorin Sea, Andaman Sea. In fact, over the last 2 to 3 days, there has been continuous rainfall being observed over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, just to tell our viewers, the India Meteorological Department considers several factors to monitor the progress of the monsoon, with the data for various factors which is fed into the models, which also includes the minimum temperatures over northwest India, the peak of pre-monsoon showers over southern peninsula, the outgoing long wave radiation over the South China Sea, the pressure changes happening over the northwest Pacific, and several other conditions which are required to be met before to ensure that the southwest monsoon is really moving ahead as it normally does. Now, monsoon is a very, very important part of a country, an agricultural country like India, because it determines the annual agricultural production, especially for the rain-fed kharif crops which are sown during June. Monsoon is also very important because it provides respite from those excruciating, searing temperatures which really take a toll on country. Remember last year in fact March, April, May, June, we had searing temperatures, searing heat waves, which also led to a high death toll in several states. This year, however, the temperatures have been high, but the heat waves have not really lasted consecutively for a long period of time, although the number of heat wave days have still been above normal in May. If you remember, the India Meteorological Department had predicted that May is likely to receive excess rainfall and with excess monthly rainfall. It had predicted that it's likely to be 109% above the long period average. Now, the monthly update will really show how much rain it really happened, but we have been seeing a regular thunderstorm activity, which is providing those breaks from the continuous heat wave conditions. Overall, if you remember, the India Meteorological Department had predicted that the monsoon this year is also going to be above normal. Their forecast suggested that it could be 105% above the long period average. The forecast carries an error of plus minus 5%. So the monsoon period begins from 1st of June and ends in the last week of September. The 4-month season provides over 75% of the annual rains over the country. So with this good news, let's hope that over the next few days also the monsoon keeps advancing over the Bay of Bengal and really makes its onset over the Kerala coast on 27th May as predicted by the weather department.